It's a 2019 Jaguar F-Pace. It's an SUV as only Jaguar can do it. This performance vehicle was rigorously tested to handle a variety of road conditions, and with its space, safety, performance, and luxury, this F-Pace also has the capability to show off. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, front and rear parking sensors, and power heated mirrors. Jaguar, an artful blend of beauty, practicality, and luxury. Take it for a test drive today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.